Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Queendashe, also known as Kiana. We are jumping right into part 2 of my whole house clean with me video. We are just at the top of the steps and I am packing this basket for all of the stuff that was upstairs that needs to go downstairs for when I'm cleaning. And we are just jumping right into it. My husband had left all of this stuff out from like tearing apart his computer and cleaning it thoroughly. So I am starting off with putting all of this stuff back in this closet.
If I'm not supposed to think about you like this, the universe, 'cause every single thought leaves your name on my lips. Wish I could cut myself loose, but I hold on to you. Now I'm in your city, wasting time. Oh God, I wish you knew. I hate being in between. I wanna make a scene, still hoping for you and me, wondering what could have been. It was just like waking up from a fever dream, but now found out that you have someone else and that she knows about me. What a waste on such chemistry. But if we could you would be with me. If I'm not supposed to think about you like this, the universe, 'cause every single thought leaves your name on my lips. Universe, you know I don't believe in like fate, but lately things have happened that I can't explain.
The downstairs really wasn't that bad. It was mainly just having to put everything back in its place because for some reason everything was just like kind of moved around. I don't know. It was just all moved around and it really just needed to be fixed up.
I'm going crazy. This feeling is driving me half insane. If I'm not supposed to think about you like this, the universe. If I'm not supposed to think about you like this, the universe, 'cause every single thought leaves your name on my lips. Universe, you know I don't believe in like fate, but lately things have happened that I can't explain. You're miles away, still
So the night before, I did end up cleaning up my pig's cage just because my husband was thoroughly cleaning out his tower for his computer, and we noticed that it was so dusty from cleaning up the pig's cage. So I wanted to clean up their cage while he already was just away from the pigs and it was already cleaned up. We really need to figure out a solution for his tower and his computers and my computer, because the pigs and us being so close together is making everything just so dusty. Plus we have really bad allergies and the pigs kind of clash with that, with us sitting right next to them.
let's just keep it simple. So won't you let me trip with you? Leading out for you, leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me trip with you? Leading out for you.
So on this day, that morning, I put my oven on a self cleaner. So it usually runs for about 4 hours. And so I just had to wipe it out with some cleaner and just give it a nice little wipe down. It really wasn't that bad in there because I cleaned it very well when I did my deep clean in my kitchen. So it really wasn't that bad, but I definitely wanted to wipe it out and wipe down my stove and just get my kitchen back to being super clean.
I was feeling down low, you just brought me straight up. Oh yeah. would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till
Also, I'm going to be wiping out my refrigerator and my freezer. Neither one of them was really bad. I really just did a quick wipe down on those as well, just because they were just looking a little bit dingy. Not too bad, but they were a little bit dingy, so I just wanted to wipe them down and get it all back together. And plus, I needed to get some old food out that we just never finished, and for some odd reason I just never threw them out. So I wanted to take this opportunity and literally just clean out my whole refrigerator.
till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. I know that I told you we're over.
And the same with my freezer. It really wasn't that bad, but I wanted to take out some old food that we literally haven't ever touched. And there was some blood that was like spilt in my freezer that I really needed to wipe out and just make it smell a little bit nicer.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes down. surrounding me, baby. I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one time?
And lastly, I'm just going to put the covering back on top of the baby's on the baby's car seat. I did want to wash that before he got into it and get that just completely out of the way.
Maybe I was confused, or did you feel it too? In that room it suddenly just felt like it was me and you. Cause I forgot about your friend, what's his name again? I really can't recall a single thing of what he said to me. It was just that
I just wanted to show you guys our emergency little area here. It's the stroller, car seat, our bags, everything. So whenever labor decides to hit us, we can just stroll out of here and get going. Hey guys, if you're making it to this part of the video, that means we have reached the end of this video, and I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video, and please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you are not yet subscribed, please do consider. We have a whole lot going on on this channel, so I hope you're ready for it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.